Hello. The purpose of this video is to provide Otsuka a demo of the Seriological Asset Tracking System. The demo attempts to simulate asset tracking from the labelling company to the distributor using a laboratory based at Manchester Metropolitan University. The video is a combination of animation and recordings within the laboratory. The animation is intended to provide additional context and as a prelude to the ensuing recording. The assets being tracked are aggregates or outer packs of simulated pharmaceutical product packs. And note that asset and aggregate may be used interchangeably throughout the video. Before describing the asset tracking system, it is worthwhile looking at the overview slide, and in particular the product pack registration process at the bottom left of the screen. Before a product pack can be marketed, it must be registered in the National Medicine Verification System for the country in which it is to be marketed. The product codes being used in this demo have already been registered against the UK NMVS test environment. This will allow us to include a demo of our bulk product pack verification solution against the UK NMVS test environment. The rest of the picture provides the key components of our tracking system, including aggregation, data matrix labeling with or without encryption, RFID tagging, data matrix and RFID tag checking, and goods in and goods out monitoring using RFID portals. The distributor differs from the labeling company in that it performs a goods in check through its RFID goods in portal. Furthermore, IoT sensors for humidity and temperature have been included in the distributor scenario, the assumption being that distributors may hold on to stock longer while labeling companies generate stock as soon as orders requested, and therefore stock is likely to have a shorter storage time. So, moving on to the asset creation. Creating assets, otherwise known as aggregates of product packs. As mentioned previously, an asset is an aggregate of pharmaceutical product packs. We select the first product pack and add it to the aggregate. The next product pack is selected and also added to the aggregate. This is repeated until the aggregate is filled. At the end of packing the aggregate, a handheld data matrix reader connected to the laptop performs a scan of the product packs. The attached laptop will display the details of each product pack as it is scanned. At the end of the scanning process, the operator accesses the screen, enters the asset ID, and presses Create Asset. The database is then updated with a new asset ID and a full record of which product packs are contained within. We will now demonstrate creating an asset in the lab. First, we will scan the product packs. In this scenario, the product packs are already loaded in the aggregate. As you can see, as the operator scans the product packs, the screen is updated with the details of each product pack. At the end of scanning the product packs, the operator enters the asset details on the screen and selects the Create Asset option. The database is updated accordingly with the new Asset Product Packs mapping. That is the end of the Create Asset process.